Is your office starting to feel a bit stuffy after the summer months? Are you noticing a few too many dust bunnies hiding under desks or smudges on the windows that weren't there before? September is the perfect time to give your workspace a fresh start. As we head into the autumn months, a thorough clean can help create a healthier and more productive environment for everyone. Hello eco-warriors, we're diving into the world of conscious cleaning. Exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. In this video, we're walking you through the essential steps to rejuvenate your office space this September. From desk decluttering to deep cleaning carpets, you'll find out how a little effort can go a long way in boosting morale and maintaining a spotless workspace. Watch on to discover all the must-dos for a cleaner, healthier, and more inviting office environment. Start with a fresh perspective, declutter and organize. After the busy summer months, offices can quickly become cluttered with unnecessary paperwork, outdated files, and forgotten items. Let's start by getting rid of anything that doesn't belong. Clear the desks. Begin by clearing every desk of old documents, used coffee cups, and miscellaneous clutter. Encourage staff to sort through their personal items, filing what's important and recycling what's not. A clean desk not only looks better but also boosts productivity and helps everyone feel more focused. Have you found that a tidy desk makes you more productive? Share your experience with us in the comments. Organize shared spaces. Think about the shared spaces in your office, the kitchen, meeting rooms, and reception areas. These spaces are often the first to show signs of neglect. Clear out old magazines, expired snacks, and anything else that doesn't belong. Reorganize cupboards and drawers to make items easy to find and encourage everyone to keep these spaces tidy. Do you have any tips for organizing shared spaces? Let us know how you keep your office areas clutter-free. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Deep cleaning tasks for September. Now that the clutter is out of the way, it's time to focus on the deeper cleaning tasks that might have been neglected over the summer. Freshen up carpets and floors. Carpets and floors can take a beating in busy offices, especially with summer foot traffic bringing in dirt and debris. September is a great time to deep clean all flooring surfaces. Carpets should be professionally cleaned to remove any ground and dirt and stains, while hard floors can benefit from a thorough mop and polish. How often do you deep clean the carpets in your office? Share your schedule and methods with us below. Dust and wipe all surfaces. Dusting is essential for maintaining a healthy environment, especially for employees with allergies. Dust all surfaces, including desks, shelves, and window sills. Don't forget the less obvious places like behind monitors, around light fixtures, and on top of cabinets. Wipe down all surfaces with an eco-friendly cleaner to keep the office looking fresh and smelling clean. Do you have a favorite eco-friendly cleaning product? Tell us why you love it in the comments. Pay attention to high-touch areas. High-touch areas, like doorknobs, light switches, and shared equipment, can harbor a lot of germs. Regularly sanitizing these areas is key to keeping everyone healthy, especially as we move into flu season. Sanitize shared equipment. Office equipment like photocopiers, printers, and kitchen appliances are used by multiple people throughout the day. Make sure these items are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized to prevent the spread of germs. Consider placing sanitizing wipes nearby so employees can quickly wipe down surfaces after use. Have you noticed an improvement in office health since implementing regular cleaning of shared equipment? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Disinfect restrooms. Restrooms require extra attention to keep them hygienic and pleasant for everyone. Make sure all surfaces, including sinks, toilets, and floors, are cleaned and disinfected regularly. Stock up on essential supplies like soap, paper towels, and toilet paper, and ensure they are always available. What's your top tip for maintaining clean restrooms in the office? Share your advice with us. Refresh the air. A clean office isn't just about surfaces, the air quality also matters. Dust, allergens, and stale air can make a workspace feel unwelcoming. Check air vents and filters. Make sure all air vents are cleaned and that filters in air conditioning or heating units are replaced or cleaned. This helps maintain good air quality and ensures the system runs efficiently. Consider adding some indoor plants, which not only freshen the air, but also add a touch of greenery to the office. Do you use plants to improve air quality in your office? Tell us which ones you recommend. Encourage a culture of cleanliness. A clean office isn't just about a one-time deep clean, it's about creating habits that keep the space looking great all year round. Set up a cleaning rota. Create a simple cleaning rota for regular tasks, such as emptying bins, wiping down kitchen surfaces, and restocking supplies. Encourage all employees to participate in maintaining a clean and organized workspace. Provide cleaning supplies. Make sure cleaning supplies are easily accessible to everyone. Stock up on eco-friendly products and place them in shared areas, like the kitchen and bathrooms. This encourages employees to clean up after themselves and take ownership of their workspace. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.